Hi friends, my name is MOKSHITH from first semester Automobile Engineering. My product name is Cultivation Land Water Level Sensor. My company name is Farm Future. You can see the company logo. Feedback collected during empathy, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. First, accuracy and reliability. Precise measurement of water levels to avoid under or over irrigation. Consistent performance even in challenging weather conditions. Second, real-time updates. Notifications view mobile apps or display screens to monitor water levels remotely. Alerts for critical conditions like low or high water levels. Third, easy installation and maintenance. Simple step process without the need of expert technicians, low maintenance requirement with durable parts that last long. Fourth, affordability. A cost-effective solution that is affordable for small-scale farmers. Defined and in date. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Features to be added. First, water conservation mode. Incorporate a feature that helps farmers using the minimum required water for crops based on weather forecast and soil conditions. Second, solar power. Use solar panels for self-sustainability in remote or off-grid areas, reducing operational costs. Third, real-time water level monitoring. Continuously measure and display water levels, ensuring accurate irrigation management. Futuristic product name is HydroTrack. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. As actual working model are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.